Hey guys, in this video we're going to see about how we're going to download the Splunk and install the Splunk Enterprise on the Mac OS. So first just go to your browser and search for Splunk download and just go to the first URL to download Splunk. So this is Splunk download HTML page which gives you the various Splunk download platforms. So first we have the Splunk cloud platform, which is like a cloud, so they give us like a 14 days cloud trial, and we have this Splunk enterprise version. So with this trial license we can ingest data up to 500 MB per day for 60 days, and no credit card is required. And the last is the universal forwarder, which is a free a Splunk component. So universal forwarder is a component which used to collect the data from the source and push to the destinations. So I don't want to confuse about the components in this video. Let's stick to the download part, and in this video we're gonna download the Splunk Enterprise version and install on the Mac OS. So let's click get my free trial button, and this will be navigated to the download page. So before that we have to log in with your Splunk credentials. Since I've already logged in, I'm just using the cache for it. So let's go to the Mac OS. So this is the latest Splunk Enterprise versions, which is 9.3.1. If you want to go for the previous versions, you can just click all other downloads. No, sorry, my bad. So if you want to go for previous releases, let's click on the previous release, so you can able to find the previous versions of the Splunk Enterprise server. And in this video we're going to stick to the latest version of the Splunk Enterprise, and which is 9.3.1. and let's go for the Mac OS, and let's copy that duplicate link from here and navigate to the terminal and just paste the duplicate link here, and the download has been begun. Let's wait for few minutes since my internet speed is kind of slow. Perfect. Now the download is completed. Let's go and extract the downloaded file. So let's give r-xvz and Splunk. So this will basically extract the download file into a Splunk folder. So it has been extracted. So let's navigate to Splunk and bin, and let me clear this. Splunk start. That's it. So this gives us Splunk general terms and conditions. So do you agree with the license? Yes, I agree with the license. Yes. And just sticking with the static admin username for administrator. Okay, now let's set the password. So now it's waiting for the waiting for the port 8000 is available to run the web server, Splunk web server on that particular port. So the Splunk web interface is running on the local host at port 8000. Let's navigate to the browser again and just go for the local host 8000 and hit enter. So this will navigate to the Splunk Enterprise login page. So with the created credentials, I'm using that credentials to log in. And yes, so we are in the Splunk Enterprise version. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, stay tuned for the upcoming videos and have a nice day, guys. Thank you.